Connecting with those that you love is so important. It's really what life is about, and you need to make time to do it more than ever. We're so distracted, and it's easily to always kind of have your teeth in things and be racing from one thing to another. But just slowing down and just being present with someone is not just the best gift for them, for those that you love, but it's the best gift you can give to yourself, to just be present, do one thing at a time, and really feel that connection. Now, it's not always the best situation because the people we love also upset us the most, and it can be challenging, and it's easy to get caught up in emotion, but it's so important to just be there and be present, be connected. And whenever someone is upset, just listen to it objectively and just feel what they're feeling, but at the same time know that it doesn't have to be something that's negative. There's always a turnaround, and sometimes they just want you to listen. You don't have to take it on board, you don't have to offer solutions, you just be present with them, and that's such a beautiful gift that we can all give to each other. And it's important to carve out time every day to do that. So I make sure that I've got time with my son, with my wife, with our 2 dogs, extended family like my mum I'll go and see once a week, my aunt, and I text my mum every day to have a connection there, and I find that that allows for me to feel that sense of connection, that I'm here and I'm living and this is all worthwhile. So all the hard work is going towards all of us experiencing something better. I love the connection through social media, and I love the connection here at the gym. I find it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful career path to have that connection with other people and care about them and try to help them. At the same time, you need to make sure that you have time for yourself. So connecting with others and then taking that time to connect with yourself so you can be present. And so you have enough energy and you have enough bandwidth, and you also have enough of a buffer, because a lot of people are going through emotional things more than ever and stressful things. And if you want to be a good coach or you want to be a good friend, you've got to have a reserve, because if you're in trouble, you can't help anyone. So sometimes you need friends to just share with them what's going on. But I find as a coach or as someone that wants to lead or wants to help others, the more you can do that for yourself, the better you can turn up for those around you. And I find that's what I like and enjoy in life, is trying to control myself and offer myself that sense of peace, so that way I can do that for others.